I'm using my phone. My husband insisted I need my gimbal, so he went to go get it. All right, so I have a name. I've done, I don't know, probably 25 names so far for beach riding, but I have one more that is a dog. Okay, and I'm going to use this. You can draw the things that look nice on your own, or you can get them a different way like I did. All right, here's what it looks like today at the California beach. All right, so to do these names, you come with a list, and I'm trying to get the best angle, there isn't one. You come with your list of names of couples that are getting married, of a baby that was just born, whatever you want to do. It's either a gift or it's used as a memorial or for animals. And I bring my list, I bring the camera, I get backup of everything. I usually write with this. You can write with whatever you want. This works best for me. Some people use chopsticks, some people use their hand. And then you have to quickly in this space. Okay, you can see I did a name there. Wait for the wave to come up, and then you're going to take it like, right there, or as soon as that wave comes all the way up. Hope you can hear me. Let's start writing. I'm hoping that what I already told you from my phone is going to turn out. So now I got my gimbal. Hopefully you can hear me over the crashing of the waves. Let's take a look here. Hold on. 10 to 5. Okay, it's 10 minutes to 5. Here we are in California. Pacific Ocean in front of me. Here's the beach behind me. I purposely picked a beach that did not have a lot of people. It is Sunday afternoon, early evening, and Huntington Beach is that way, Seal Beach is that way. Huntington Beach is always really crowded. And yesterday there was a helicopter crash at the beach. 4 people are in the hospital. We almost went to the beach yesterday, and Huntington's usually where I go, so I'm here instead today. And I wrote from my list. Here you go. Yeah, so I can't do as many as I used to. I remember back in the day, 10 years ago, 15 years ago in Hawaii. Oh my God. It would be...
I was your beach bitch.
Beach bitch. Yeah, he was. I needed an assistant then, and I still do now. But you think about how many times you are bending over, squatting, quickly moving, darting from the waves, and you're trying to capture the perfect photo, and you're going to do that over and over and over again. But back then, when I was younger and before 2 hip surgeries, I could do 100 a day, 150 names, handwriting names a day. I was really busy, really, in demand. I did get heat exhaustion one time. Okay, sorry for the interruption, but a lady came by with her little tiny black long-haired chihuahua. And her little long hair. Why is this zooming in? What am I hitting? What's happening here? What in the world? If I've lost all of you by now, I completely understand. Anyway, this lady came by with her beautiful dog named Princess, who was a black long-haired chihuahua. And I had to take a little time to talk to Princess. Noah died, 2 weeks ago now, and just miss him so much, my golden retriever. I hope that you all have a wonderful evening. I will try to put this whole thing together into one video about how I come down to the beach, and I come with a 20, 30, 40, 100 or whatever number of names, and requests for a couple names maybe to go together with a heart, people getting married, and I hope that you enjoyed the video.